Spaghetti bolognese, how to make. Spaghetti bolognese guys ha. First guys, olive oil. Olive oil. Olive oil. And then bolognese guys ha. Beef. And then bolognese guys ha. I put bolognese. How to make yummy bolognese ha. Spaghetti bolognese. Now I put beef guys ha. Beef. Guys ha. Yan guys ha, ito din. And little garlic guys ha. Now the pasta, I put the hot water guys ha. Boiling water. Yes guys ha, you see. Then I put now. Half chicken stock guys ha. Don't forget chicken stock from please. Now I put tomato sauce. Okay. How to make bolognese yan yan. Yan guys ha. Don't forget little sugar guys ha. Little sugar ha. Now it's ready ha. Remove a little water and then finish guys ha. The bolognese ha. Now I taste guys ha. Little water guys. Now almost ready guys ha. Now I put guys parmesan ha. Parmesan. Ready lang ha. Parmesan. How to make, you see, the bolognese, you see. Now it's ready. Wait guys ha. Now it's ready guys ha. Only plating. Now guys, I'm plating guys ha. The bolognese. You see? Wow. You see the bolognese guys. For me, I like it. You see? You see guys. Now I put parmesan ha guys ha. Parmesan on the top. And then cherry tomato guys. You see? Parsley. Parsley guys ha. And then, oh, you see guys how to make bolognese yummy yummy. For me, is my menu is I have my hair is not no. I follow the menu. Yan guys ha, how to make bolognese yummy yummy. Wow. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video, Chef Eric Manya. You see?